Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter pairing mode with your JBL 650BT Live. To do this, you need to locate this button on your headphones. It should be on the left headphone, right here. So you press it upwards a bit, and your headphones should start up like this, and it should be constant white light. And now you go to other side of this headphone and locate the Bluetooth button. You press on it, and now we go back to this side, and it should start blinking in a blue light, and that means you're in a pairing mode. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.